Just a couple of quick updates for you today. Hi everyone, it's Audrey coming to you again from our new location for Benjamin Roberts at 119 South Tree Drive in Lancaster. Just a couple of quick updates for you today. We've got some new landscaping. We've got some beautiful new decals on our front entrance windows, which were done by our partners at Takeform. We have a beautifully finished fireplace with new TV screens on it, some meeting room space, and a few other odds and ends that we wanted to show you today. Of course, we'll be providing more updates in the future as we make more changes to our new space. But for now, take a look, and thanks for following along.